Starting Tuesday, October 7th at 9 a.m., multi-factor authentication, or MFA, will be required. On your first login after it goes live, you will need to enter your agent ID and password. Then, the next screen will prompt you to either verify your account through a passcode sent to your email or to use your Authenticator app. Email MFA is a good option, but Authenticator apps are more secure, faster, and aligned with best practices, so they're strongly recommended. If you choose to go with an Authenticator app, simply click the Use Authenticator button. Next, open your Authenticator app to scan the QR code on screen to register the dashboard on your app, and then click Proceed. We recommend Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator if you do not have one already. On the next screen, enter the 6-digit passcode to finish signing in. You may also click the Remember this device checkbox to make your next login faster, then click Verify. And just like that, you're in. We understand this may add an extra step to your day-to-day, but we truly value your safety. Thank you from your PPAR family.